Hello friends, welcome to Sarvaruchi. Today we are going to prepare idiyappam with sweet coconut milk. First we will prepare idiyappam. For that first we have to soak the rice for 2 hours. I already soaked the rice. Drain the water and transfer to the blender. Blend it. Blend it into a fine powder. Transfer to a bowl. I have grounded all the soaked rice into a fine powder. Mix it once. Add little salt. Mix it well. Adjust water. There is no measurement for water. Mix it well in order to avoid lumps. Rice flour is an most commonly used ingredient in Indian households. Mix it well. So combined well. The batter consistency should be flowing. Now transfer to the pan. Mix it while pouring the batter. Mix it continuously for 10 minutes. After a few minutes it started thickening. Mix it well. After a few minutes it is thickened. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Again mix it well. Rice flour is an excellent source of vitamin B which helps in production of new cells. Off the flame. Close the lid and make it cool slightly. It's cooled slightly. Open the lid. Take little dough. Close the lid. Now grease the ghee. Knead it well. Rice flour is also helps in skin brightening. Knead it well. Now make balls. The steamer is preheated. Place the balls in the steamer. Close the lid and steam it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, off the flame and make it cool slightly. Open the lid. Now transfer the rice balls into the idiyappam maker. Now grease the ghee to the plate. Now make idiyappam by rolling it. If the dough is softer, we can make idiyappam easily by pressing it. This is good for health. We can make it easily in the home. All are done. Now steamer is preheated. Place in it. Close the lid and steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, off the flame and make it cool slightly. Open the lid. Steam it well. Transfer to a plate. Finally, healthy and tasty idiyappam is ready. Next, we will prepare sweet coconut milk. For this, I have taken 2 coconuts and cut it into pieces and transfer into the blender. Add 1 cup of warm water, 4 cardamom pods. Blend it. Blend it into a fine paste. Add 2 cups of warm water. Mix it once. Drain the milk by pressing it gently. Coconut milk is good for health and it has high in calories and has many nutrients in it. It lowers blood pressure and cholesterol and builds muscles and helps to reduce fat. I have extracted coconut milk from 2 coconuts. Keep it aside. Now we will prepare jaggery syrup. For that I am adding 1 cup of water. Make it to boil. It started boiling after a few seconds. Add 1 cup of jaggery. Jaggery is loaded with antioxidants and purifies the blood. Mix it well in order to melt it. It boosts immunity. It's melted well after a few minutes. Jaggery syrup is ready. Off the flame and keep it aside. Meanwhile, add the coconut milk into the bowl. Mix it once and make it to boil in low flame. After a few seconds, mix it once. Now add jaggery syrup into it. Jaggery syrup and coconut milk is good for health. Mix it once. It is a quick start for digestion. Boil it. After a few seconds, it started boiling. Off the flame and transfer to a bowl. Finally, idiyappam with sweet coconut milk is ready. Please try at home, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.